Is $1,300 a fair price for chimney repair, or is it just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to hidden damage and costly fixes? Alright, so here's the deal with chimney repair quotes like that. First off, replacing the wood is just one piece of the puzzle. You gotta think about sealing everything right so water doesn't sneak back in and ruin your work. Make sure whoever you hire knows how to handle flashing properly. That's the metal stuff that keeps water from seeping between your roof and chimney. Don't forget about checking the roof area around the chimney because damaged flashing or shingles can cause leaks too. If your siding is that T111 stuff, which is kind of like glorified cardboard, it's probably rotted and needs careful replacement or treatment. You also want to look below the roof line and inside the walls for any hidden rot or mold, especially near the sill plates where moisture loves to hide. A cheap quote, like $1,300, might be low because they spot only the obvious damage, but once they start tearing things down, the price usually goes up if there's more rot or structural issues. So, if you're handy, you could replace some wood yourself, but proper sealing and flashing is definitely something to leave to a pro who knows exactly what they're doing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with chimney repairs is underestimating water damage behind the siding.com. That T111 rots fast if it's not sealed right, and ignoring this can lead to bigger problems down the road. Fix. Always get a full inspection beyond just the wood replacement to catch hidden rot or flashing issues. Another common problem is assuming flashing is done properly. If it's not installed or maintained well, water will get in no matter how fresh the shingles look. Fix. Hire someone who can prove they know flashing techniques and will check for leaks thoroughly. Lastly, people often overlook damage below the roofline or inside walls, especially around sill plates, which can weaken your home's structure quietly but seriously. Fix. Demand a thorough check of all areas affected by water to avoid surprise repairs later. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way easier because they vet pros so you're not stuck with some random cheapo who might mess it up. Contractors love it too because it connects them with homeowners who actually need reliable work, making the whole process smoother for everyone.